Breaking news. Science found giants. Yeah, like Bible-proving, theory of evolution defeating giants. This skull was discovered by a Chinese laborer almost 100 years ago. Why are we only talking about it now? He hid it. He buried it in a well because he was afraid that the government was going to confiscate it. Look at this. The length of this skull is 221 millimeters, where the length of a normal human skull is 176 millimeters. A human is like 2/3 the size of this thing. Look at the size of this tooth compared to a human tooth. It's massive. If the theory of evolution were true, there shouldn't be giant humanoid creatures in the past. The theory of evolution needs a gradual increase in height. Lucy was supposedly 3 foot tall. But if the Bible is true, the Bible is very clear that the angels and the human women had children, and these hybrid children were giants. The Nephilim were on the earth in those days and also afterward, when the sons of God went to the daughters of humans and had children by them. They were the heroes of old, the men of renown. When Joshua and the spies went to the promised land, they saw the giants, and all the people whom we saw in it are men of great stature. We saw the giants, and we were like grasshoppers in our own sight. If science were to find these hybrid children, they should have human DNA, they should be giant, and they should be extinct. Exactly what we see with this Denisovan skull. Look at this. What caused the Denisovans to go extinct? The exact reason for the extinction of Homo longi are not fully known, as it is a relatively recently discovered species. However, scientists hypothesize that climate change and competition with Homo sapiens may have played significant roles. Climate change. Would a global flood be considered climate change? And competition with Homo sapiens? Like Homo sapien Davidius? But yeah, it's like everything you would expect to see if the Bible were true. It's well known that humans dealt with giants. It's all over our ancient histories. We just aren't taught this because it doesn't fit the theory of evolution. It's crazy.